Every business in New Zealand and globally is all about data. We're going through so many transformations. We've got clients really understanding how good data can support that overall business performance. It's an incredibly exciting time in the data world.
In corporate performance management, we help organisations with enterprise-class budgeting, forecasting and planning systems, enterprise data management, and also reporting automation and governance.
With CPM, we provide organizations with significant business insight through their processes, and these processes could be financial planning, it could be data reporting, it could be what-if analysis, it could be sandbox analysis.
We have 4 key areas within CPM that we focus on. Firstly, we have the planning and analytics, which we make up of a couple of unique products with different vendors. We then have what we deem as a disclosure management, which is all about automated reporting. And then we have data management and the governance piece, which makes up 3 and 4, and that focuses on everything from source identification of data all the way through to that front-end reporting layer.
An ideal customer for us is an organisation that's looking to grow.
We'll work with our clients to basically look at what's important to them, that we don't just enforce a one-size-fits-all, that we actually look at their unique business challenges and use the technologies that we have at our disposal to help solve those problems for them. And then we'll actually build out a roadmap which basically allows them to understand the journey that they need to go through in order to reach their goals.
Don't always just look at your problem today with data. Don't just solve the data needs today. Really think about how you can design or strategize your data handling to make sure that in 2 years, 3 years, 4 years' time, that data is absolutely supporting the move of the business and where it's trying to go. We believe we've the knowledge and we know we've got the technical capabilities to really be solving the hardest questions and the biggest challenges.
We're not in the business of selling people technologies that they don't need. We're in the business of solving problems.